the returning players that are going to be juniors this year, they've only experienced success, and they continue to work hard to be successful. And I think what's happened is it carried over to the freshman class from last year, and I think if we keep working with that group, I think the success builds on success, and I think we've been pretty lucky with that.
You can stop the ball dead, and people can hit it right or left foot. Fair enough? We'll start off there. We'll go to this one, we'll go to this one. And I want this thing to go rapid fire. Ready? Go.
I'm not always sure that success is based on your seniors, because when they tend to get to be seniors, they tend to focus on graduating and moving on in their life, and I think this group will be successful anyway, just because of the success that they've had. So I don't see it as a detriment not having any seniors, but I do think that this class in particular, the juniors, are the leaders, and they'll carry us through to the next 2 years.
You're going to play me the ball inside. You're going to play me the ball inside. Okay, you're going to keep coming.
I actually ranked us 12th, 10th or something like that, only because we lost 10 kids. We lost 10 seniors last year. We lost 4 in the spring season. Also, in the spring season that just went, we didn't do that well. So knowing that, I wasn't sure what we would have. I just knew that we had some good players coming in, and they would contribute, and how they would fit into everything else was going to have to. So I actually, being ranked 6 I'm thinking it's pretty good.
You got it, Mia. Come on, Mia. Pick a place. Good job.
The different classes have been, each one has been very, very close. I think the leadership is good. I think all in all, we've got a lot of depth. We've got a lot of, the freshman class coming in was, it really is going to help us be successful this year.
We have the same kind of expectations this year too. We did lose a few players, but we got a lot of main players back in, and we still have like our main core, so we hope to make it even further this year. I think our forwards is really a good strength for us. We're really quick this year, and I can already tell they're working well together. 2 of them have been playing together for a long time, and then the 3rd one kind of just fit right in, so I think that's our biggest strength.
I think we have a great chance. We've been working really hard. All of our scrimmages so far we've done well. I think we can just only improve, and I think we're as good as we've been the past 2 years, and that we have a great chance of winning it. We just know that every game is a tough one. There's no team in our conference that you're just going to roll over, so you just have to know that you have to work hard every day just to make it out of the conference into the playoffs even. So.
Well, we did graduate a lot of good seniors, but we have a lot of good freshmen coming in. I think they can help build on the team. It was definitely tight with Slippery Rock, so hopefully we can make a comeback with them. I think each year we're getting better, and the way we do that is that we work as a team, and leadership obviously on the team can come from anywhere, and hopefully that leadership will get us far.
Good finish.